Most platforms look at their data and say reliability problem. They see late arrivals, last-minute cancellations, and inconsistent quality. But the truth is that's not the real problem. What they're actually looking at is an economics problem. Partners, like drivers, hosts, or freelancers, they don't just wake up in the morning deciding to be quote-unquote unreliable. They are not characters in a story in a movie about good or bad actors. They are rational people, and so therefore they are responding, quite logically, to the economic system they're operating inside of. And that system is what I want to share with you today. That system is called the partner economics loop. It consists of just 6 interconnected variables, and it's the most powerful structure for understanding partner stability. Once you see how these variables are interconnected or how they connect, you understand why exactly instability starts, and more importantly, where to actually begin fixing it. So what's this partner economics loop exactly? First, it's crucial to understand that this is not a checklist, nor is it a scorecard you can tap to a wall. This is the living system with all 6 variables constantly talking to each other. Earnings, confidence, engagement, reliability, cost, and growth stability. Think of it like an engine, and these are the core components. Now here's the fundamental insight. You cannot break one variable without breaking them all. For instance, when confidence drops, it does not just stay in its own box. It leaks into engagement, it alters cost, it strangles growth. And conversely, when you statistically strengthen one of these variables correctly, the right one that is, you don't just fix the metric. You send a stabilizing pulse through the entire system. And this is why your isolated one-off fixes haven't been working. Let's walk through them to really understand what each one means. 1. Earnings predictability. It's not about the amount, it's about the predictability, seasonality, consistency. A volatile and predictable income that feels like financial loss, even if the monthly averages look fine. The human brain is just wired that way. 2. Confidence and trust. This is the heartbeat of the loop. It's the answer to 2 questions. Do I trust what I earn tomorrow? And do I trust the platform's next decision? 3. Engagement logic. This is your silent alarm bell. See, engagement drops long before churn does, and it's the first sign of a weakening. That quiet first disconnection, or that quiet disconnection. 4. Reliability calculus. This is the big one. Reliability is not character. It is not a personality trait. It is behavior shaped almost entirely by the economic context. Change the context and the behavior follows. 5. Costs. More oftentimes we think of fuel, time, hard expenses. But the real cost is uncertainty, waiting, the opportunity cost of a missed gig. These costs are static. They feel heavier when confidence is low. And finally 6. Growth stability. This is the output. It's not a lever you can pull, because true stable growth is simply what happens when the other 5 variables are strong and aligned. And that, everyone, is a 6 variable partner economics loop, the most powerful structure for understanding partner stability. Now here's where almost every platform gets it wrong. They see the loop breaking, they see reliability flashing red, and therefore they attack the loop at the wrong point. Their response: incentives, bonuses, penalties. That's like seeing a warning light on your car's dashboard and putting a piece of tape over it. You fix the symptom, but the engine is still failing. You see, incentives might temporarily prop up a broken loop, but they do not repair the underlying connections. Matter of fact, they create a dangerous dependency, because every year you're gonna need a bigger bonus to get the same effects. You see, it creates a costly, exhausting cycle. So how do you use the partner economics? As an operator, your job changes. You are not just putting out fires anymore, you are listening to the system. So the next time something breaks, the market dips, the quality slips, you ask these three new questions. 1. Which variable in the loop weakened first? Was it a shock to earnings predictability that eroded confidence? 2. What signal did we miss? Was there a drop to engagement data we dismissed as noise? And 3. What is the most direct intervention to restore confidence in the loop? Sometimes the fix is not money, it's clarity. It's a clear, honest communication that rebuilds trust. Sometimes it's introducing sheer predictability, a guaranteed flow, a transparent focus. You see, the tool you reach out for is not always the wallet. It's often the megaphone, a honest conversation, the blueprint. The biggest mistake a platform can make is managing its partners like they're resources on a dashboard. They are not. They're economic actors. And economics in the long run always beats policy. Once you understand the partner economics though, you stop firefighting unpredictable behavior, you stop blaming unreliable people. Instead, you start designing for stability. You build a system where the rational economic choice for your partners is also the right choice for your platform and for your customers.